Tired of style tips that never seem to work for your curves? Today, we're flipping the script with 10 hacks made for you. Fashion advice often ignores anyone outside the SML range, but we're here to change that. Forget runway-only trends. Let's make style work for real bodies. I've distilled the best 2025 updates into 10 practical, high-impact hacks you can use right now. No brand hype, just real, accessible solutions for your budget and taste. Get ready to take notes. Your style evolution starts now. Let's dive in. The foundation of every great outfit? It's not just the clothes you see on the outside, but what's underneath that truly makes the difference. The right undergarments are the secret weapon of every confident, stylish woman. Undergarments that fit and support you can completely transform your look, giving you a smooth, comfortable base for any outfit you choose. In 2025, shapewear is all about comfort and innovation. Think breathable mesh, laser-cut panels, and adjustability that moves with you. No more pinching, squeezing, or overheating. It's time to ditch those old restrictive pieces that dig in or ride up. If your undergarments leave marks or make you uncomfortable, they're not serving you. Look for bras and shapewear with adjustable closures, convertible straps, and flexible fabrics. These features let you customize your fit for every body shape and outfit. A well-fitted bra doesn't just lift and support. It instantly improves your posture, enhances your silhouette, and makes your clothes drape beautifully. Don't guess your size. Get professionally fitted at least once a year. It's a game changer that can reveal what you've been missing in comfort and support. When your base is right, your confidence soars and your outfits shine. You'll notice the difference in how you carry yourself and how your clothes look. Take a hard look at your underwear drawer. Does it serve you, or is it full of pieces you avoid? If not, it's time for an upgrade. Invest in a few high-quality pieces, even if it means buying less. The right undergarments will transform your wardrobe more than any trendy new dress ever could. Start with the basics: neutral bras, seamless underwear, and versatile shapewear. Build your collection with essentials that work for your lifestyle. Trust me, investing in the right undergarments is the first step to unlocking your best-dressed, most confident self. You deserve to feel amazing from the inside out. Tailoring is your secret weapon. Off-the-rack clothes rarely fit anyone perfectly. Simple tweaks like taking in a waist, shortening sleeves, or hemming pants can turn meh into wow. Bring your shoes to fittings and tell your tailor exactly what you want. Even a $20 alteration can make a $50 piece look custom and expensive. Focus on investment pieces like coats and blazers for maximum impact. Don't settle for almost right. See the potential in every garment. Find your magic tailor and watch your wardrobe transform. Proportion play is the ultimate styling hack for curves. It's all about using the shapes and lines of your clothing to create balance, highlight your favorite features, and express your unique personality. When you understand how to play with proportions, you unlock endless possibilities for your wardrobe. Pair voluminous pieces, like wide-leg pants or A-line skirts, with fitted tops to highlight your waist. This simple trick draws attention to your natural curves and creates a beautiful hourglass effect. Don't be afraid to try bold colors or prints on either the top or bottom to make your look pop. Want to wear an oversized blazer? Balance it with slim-fit jeans or a pencil skirt. The contrast between loose and fitted pieces keeps your outfit interesting and modern, while still flattering your shape. You can even add a belt to cinch your waist and add extra definition. Look for adjustable ties, ruching, or draping in 2025 styles. They let you customize your silhouette. These details are not just trendy, but also practical, giving you the power to shape your look exactly how you want it. Experiment. Try a corset top over a billowy shirt or a voluminous sleeve with fitted pants. Layering different textures and shapes adds depth and personality to your outfit, making it truly your own. Stand in front of the mirror and see what feels powerful. Take your time to play with different combinations until you find what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Proportion play is about drawing the eye and creating a shape you love. It's not about hiding, it's about celebrating your body and making fashion work for you. Don't be afraid to mix it up. Fashion is your language. Try new patterns, textures, and silhouettes to discover what feels most authentic to you. Mastering proportions lets you tell your own style story. Each outfit becomes a statement of who you are and how you want to be seen. Own your look, one outfit at a time. Remember, confidence is the best accessory you can wear, so embrace proportion play and let your style shine. Simplify your closet and amplify your style with a capsule wardrobe. Focus on structured, flattering essentials: a tailored blazer, high-rise jeans, a structured midi dress, and a classic white shirt with stretch. Add a statement skirt that fits perfectly at the waist. Think pleated, printed, or satin. Finish with comfortable chic shoes like block heels or loafers. These 6 pieces mix and match for endless outfits that celebrate your curves. No more nothing to wear panic, just effortless style. Build your capsule, and getting dressed becomes a joy. Let your wardrobe work for you, not against you. Curate, don't clutter. Forget the only wear black rule. Color and pattern are your style superpowers. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and embrace the full spectrum of shades and prints. Fashion is about expressing who you are, and color is one of the most powerful tools you have. Bold hues like cobalt, fuchsia, or emerald make a statement and elongate your look. These vibrant colors not only catch the eye, but they also bring energy and confidence to your presence. Don't shy away from standing out. Let your outfit do the talking. Patterns? Go for it. Vertical stripes, florals, and large-scale prints flatter and add personality. Patterns can highlight your favorite features and bring a playful, creative touch to your wardrobe. The key is to choose prints that make you feel amazing. Color blocking with strategic panels or a belted waist sculpts your silhouette. These techniques create beautiful lines and draw attention to your natural curves, giving you a polished, put-together look. Belts are your best friend. Cinch dresses, blazers, or cardigans to define your waist. Experiment with different belt widths and colors to see what flatters your shape and adds a pop of interest to your outfit. Try a monochrome look or mix prints for extra impact. Monochrome outfits can be sleek and elongating, while mixing prints shows off your bold, creative side. Don't be afraid to play with unexpected combinations. Accessories like a bright belt or statement necklace draw the eye where you want it. Use jewelry, scarves, and bags to highlight your favorite features and add a finishing touch to your look. Imagine a black jumpsuit, red belt, pinstripe blazer, instant style upgrade. Layering and accessorizing can transform even the simplest outfit into something special and uniquely yours. Use color and pattern to express yourself, not hide. Let your wardrobe reflect your personality, your mood, and your confidence every single day. Play, experiment, and let your wardrobe reflect your confidence. Try new combinations, mix and match, and don't be afraid to break the so-called rules of fashion. Style is about joy. Embrace it. Celebrate your individuality, have fun with your clothes, and remember, the best accessory is always your confidence. Make your wardrobe unique with DIY and thrift hacks. Thrift stores are gold mines. Look for quality fabrics and classic shapes to modernize. Revamp vintage blazers by removing shoulder pads or swapping buttons. Shorten maxi dresses or turn them into 2-piece sets with a tailor. Add custom cuffs to jeans with hem tape, or use a scarf as a statement belt. Refresh sneakers with a color dip for a high-fashion twist. Master the strategic tuck for instant waist definition, no sewing required. Personalization means your style is truly one of a kind. Knowing how to dress for any occasion is true style power. For brunch high-rise jeans, a fitted top, and a third piece like a blazer or cardigan. Office wide-leg trousers, a classic shirt, and a structured blazer. Polished and professional. Date night, a wrap or midi dress or faux leather pants with a romantic top and statement earrings. Beach day, a bold swimsuit and a chic cover-up, think sheer shirt or flowy caftan. Formal event, a waist-defining gown or a luxe jumpsuit, plus elegant accessories. Use these formulas as blueprints. Add your personal twist. Confidence comes from being prepared and feeling fabulous. Adapt, accessorize, and own every room you enter. Style is about making every occasion yours. Let's bust the biggest plus-size fashion myths, once and for all. Myth: only dark colors flatter. Reality: vibrant colors radiate confidence and joy. Myth: baggy clothes hide curves. Reality: well-fitted pieces celebrate your shape. Myth: avoid stripes. Reality: both vertical and horizontal stripes can look amazing. Just play with scale and placement. Myth: crop tops aren't for plus-size bodies. Reality: pair with high-waisted bottoms for a chic modern look. Myth: thrift stores don't have stylish options. Reality: they're full of unique, high-quality finds. The real rule: wear what makes you feel powerful. Fashion is about joy, not restriction. Break the rules, embrace your style, and let your confidence shine. Myths busted, now dress for you. Let's move forward rule-free. Get inspired by following curvy influencers who break the mold. Naomi Accardi mixes streetwear, vintage, and bold silhouettes, fearless and authentic. Aria Montgomery nails modern classics and elegant fits, perfect for work or special events. Sukanya Iyer is all about color, prints, and joyful dressing. Her feed is a masterclass in self-expression. Seeing women who look like you, owning their style, is empowering. Follow, experiment, and let their confidence fuel your own. Use their ideas as a springboard for your unique style. Your feed should inspire you to get dressed every day. Let's tackle your top plus-size fashion questions. Rapid-fire style. For online shopping, know your measurements and check size charts and reviews. Best fabrics? Ponte knit, quality cotton, and blends with stretch. They skim, not cling. Layering without bulk, use thin, fitted base layers and structured outer pieces. Flattering accessories, belts for waist definition, long necklaces for length, statement earrings to draw the eye up. Budget-friendly brands? Check out Old Navy, ASOS Curve, and thrift stores. Great finds at every price. Smart shopping and styling make all the difference. Build your confidence with knowledge and experimentation. Your questions answered, now go rock your style. Why are there not more people talking about how empowering plus-size fashion can be? 2025 is about celebrating, not concealing your curves. Use these hacks, fit, color, tailoring, and more, to build a wardrobe that empowers you. Try one new tip tomorrow and see how it feels. Share your looks, your wins, and your journey. If you love these tips, hit like, subscribe, and join our Curve Positive community for more plus-size fashion inspiration. Let's lift each other up and celebrate style at every size. Thanks for watching. Go forth and be fabulous.